Okay, I just finished. I'm at Red Owl. I'm waiting on Kara to get here. Just going through Instagram. I posted a story. But I'm starving and need coffee, so I'm excited. Yeah, so I'll talk to you guys in a second.
Do you have like you have stand in your car?
Yeah, we just finished having coffee. It's now 1 p.m. But Kara wanted to say hey to the vlog. Hi. Hey girly. Hi, cutie. Hey guys, what's up? It is 1:47. I can like feel a migraine coming on, so oh my gosh, I have the worst headache ever. I'm gonna go take a naproxen and I'm gonna fix me a cup of coffee because I only had that one cup of coffee from Red Owl, and see if that helps. My head has been killing me because I've been having to go back and forth between prescriptions for my glasses and not my glasses but my contacts in my glasses. So my glasses are still my like last prescription, and they changed it this past week to a lower prescription because I had gone down in my prescription, and then I ran out of the contacts, so I had to go back to the higher prescription that I was. This probably makes no sense. Basically, I kept having to go back and forth between different prescriptions, and I just picked up my contacts, so I'm just gonna have to wear contacts 24/7. And anyway, my glasses haven't come in yet. I'll be happy when they come in so I can wear both. But yeah, I have a really bad headache, so I'm gonna go inside. I'm gonna lay down, get off my phone, and just lay for probably an hour or two and see if that helps. But actually this evening tonight, my cousin is going to come over for to make gingerbread houses and some cookies, and I think we're gonna go look at Christmas lights. Tonight is the luminaries in our neighborhood, and yeah, that's about it. But yeah, today was super nice to catch up with Kara. If you guys don't know, that is my best friend Kara. We've been best friends since we were in 4th grade, and she now lives in Atlanta, so I don't get to see her as much. But she was leaving today to go back to Atlanta, so she came by we met up to get Red Owl. And guys, if you're in Tifton, it is so cute. I'd never been on the inside of it, and we went in to go order our coffees, and it was so cute. So yeah, anyway, I will talk to you guys in a little bit, hopefully without a headache. But yeah, bye guys. Okay guys, am I in focus? I can't really tell. It's much later. I'm about to fix some water to drink. I'm wearing my Griswolds t-shirt. That is our family favorite. My personal very first favorite is Eloise at the Plaza at Christmas time. But my second favorite Christmas movie is the Griswolds, National Lampoons. So yeah, I'll show you guys. This isn't my favorite one, but my favorite one is one I got in high school when I was like a senior or a junior, and it didn't fit anymore because it's a Urban Outfitters like women's large, and I cannot wear women's this size. But it is my favorite one ever. It says Merry Christmas. You can read all of that. I'm not gonna get demonetized. I might change into this one because I have literally the same exact shirt in a different color. Anyway. I wish I had, when I was in high school, and then I have this, I always had to have tacky sweaters on deck because they used to have a tacky sweater Christmas party every year when I went to college at ABAC. But anyway, I used to have the cutest tacky sweater that my mom and I handmade. Basically my mom handmade, and it was a what was it? Was it a Christmas tree? And it had the Christmas tree was made out of bows, I think. Do you remember?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Then it had tinsel on the sleeves. It was really cute. I almost won a tacky sweater Christmas party, like best sweater one year. But yeah, anyway, I'm gonna go take some allergy meds because I can feel myself getting itchy. But yeah, I'll catch you guys. Oh wait, actually let me show you guys. This is what we got. They're just from Publix, little kits. And then we have sugar cookies we're gonna bake. Let's see if it'll focus.
Your natural nails look so pretty.
Oh my gosh, no, I
Let me
took
see.
them off.
Let's see.
I'm a fat
Let's
finger.
see. Wait, it's not focusing because it's so shiny. Focus now. What you doing? Okay, she kind of focused. She's still not focused. Hold on,
Oh,
hold
it's
on.
Sam did it when
sweating.
she put her hand up underneath it.
She's an engaged woman. Oh my goodness. How does it feel? This is I'm sad. I don't like
I like
this.
your nails.
Thank you.
Is that a smiley face?
It is.
Who came up with that design?
Me.
Oh.
Look who showed up. Jessie. Jessie.
Don't whistle at me like I'm dying. I might eat it.
Smile.
Cookies in there.
Yeah. Do you have a vision? Do you have a vision of how we're gonna do it?
Here's your picture.
This is team. What's y'all's team name gonna be? How are you feeling? Do you think you're gonna win this competition?
Absolutely not. Yeah, probably not. Probably not.
I think that they're gonna beat me because
I mean, the brains behind it.
the brains of the family is in the purple sweatshirt.
Pretty much. I'm thinking mine's purple.
Yours is blue. Let's go, team. Oh wait.
What great video.
Let's go, team.
I'm not even involved. It's gonna be.
Okay, so we have clear winners. As you can see, it's Sam and Jessie. Guys, y'all wanna give us a tour of the house?
Hold on, wait, we're not welcome to our.
Okay, here's mine. I don't want to talk about it. My favorite part of it is the candy canes and the sidewalk. So I do like that. And
Is there a
yeah.
red bird in your tree?
What?
It looks like a red bird.
It does. Oh my gosh.
Let me see. It looks like a bird.
No, it's supposed to be like ornaments.
No, it's okay. Well, we just go with red birds.
Okay, so here's the front, and Sam's messing up my back, but that's okay.
She happens.
Here's one side, yes. The window did not do well. It was like there was a tornado or something. And here's... You could see what I was going for. You can see the intention. You know? Yeah, I got lazy and I didn't feel like doing the Santa, so... And then Sam said that was like a red bird, so... And then, yeah, here's the other side. And the windows don't... Okay. Are you ready, Jessie?
I am.
Hold on. Okay, give us a tour.
So, here's the front of the house. She's cute. We have this lovely sidewalk.
Where'd you get that idea?
I don't know. Everything just came to that.
Okay.
This cool pattern. Plaid.
Cute.
And then here's
Oh
the
my
back of the house.
gosh. I like how you have your crackers in the back, like mine.
Crackers. I don't know.
Smile, thumbnail,
Oh,
yeah.
wait, should we get yours in there? Wait, hold on.
Yeah.
Okay, you can hold this one. I'll hold ours. You hold this one. I don't want her to think. I don't want people to think this is mine.
Wait, hold on. Cute. Okay, we came to Sonic to get a little snacky snack. There's a little thingy. Lucy, you wanna say hey? That's Lucy. She's the fourth of the four.
Alright, I got us.
We just ordered a very long, complicated order.
Me and Lucy want to be in it? Smile, Lucy.
Wait, smile, Lucy.
Smile.
Lucy, smile. Wait, why is it not?
Smile, Lucy.
I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about. Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about? I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Chestnuts roasting Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering this simple phrase. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you. Chestnut roasting.
Said I was going to. Good morning, vlog. I'm now at Jessie Ann's house. We're cooking, or I'm assisting her bake sugar cookies. But yeah, anyway, I just went to Red Owl and it's 10 o'clock almost. It's like 2 till. And yeah, that's basically all the plans I have for today, is to hang out with Jessie and help her bake homemade sugar cookies. Only the best for Santa Claus.
Hopefully Santa comes.
I hope so. You guys, Jessie is driving me for the first time.
This is the first time.
It is. Oh my gosh.
I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about. Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about? I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Chestnut roasting. Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering this simple phrase.
Guys, my second present from my best friend for my birthday just came in the mail. It's reused masks. I'm about to try it on. It's super, super cute. It's got a little smiley face. I'll show you guys when I open it. But I also have been waiting for this camera strap for probably like a month now. But I finally have it. It's so cute. I'll put it on my big camera. Oh my gosh, I love it. I got it off of Etsy and I'll link it down below. Good morning, guys. Merry Christmas. It is Christmas Day. It is probably like 9:30 now. I woke up at 4 and then I woke up at like 7 and I just never really went back to sleep after 7. And I've been up out of bed probably since like 8:30 maybe. But yeah, anyway, I'm wearing my Griswold shirt. I was wearing my Christmas pajamas, but these are what my sister got me. And the home socks. Got a little flower there. How pretty. It's super cold here. And then, yeah. I'm gonna put on my Eskimo dress sweatshirt in a second. And yeah, I've just been sitting drinking my coffee. And oh, I guess I could show you guys what we cooked. We cooked my grandma's egg souffle recipe. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. I just cut me a slice over here. I'm about to eat this. And Dad went for a walk, so whenever he gets back, we'll start opening presents and stuff. Hey, Mom. Say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Happy New Year.
You gonna do an OOTD, some Uggs, Mountain Dew.
Go dogs.
Go dogs. Say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
How's the souffle?
Happy New Year.
Not the souffle, but the casserole.
Good.